Digital twins, a concept that has gained traction in the tech industry, are virtual representations of physical systems, designed to simulate and analyze real-world objects or processes. They employ real-time data to mimic and predict behaviors, potentially revolutionizing how industries operate. By leveraging digital twins, we can test, analyze, and optimize systems in unprecedented ways. Let's explore how digital twins are being integrated into various sectors, enhancing efficiency, safety, and intelligence. Number 1. Supply chain simulation and planning. Digital twins are becoming increasingly significant in supply chain management. They serve as sophisticated tools that model complex logistics networks, enabling companies to visualize and strategize around potential disruptions. For instance, a company could use a digital twin to understand the impact of a natural disaster on its supply chain and make informed decisions to mitigate risks. This foresight and flexibility ensure that supply chains are resilient, even in the face of unforeseen events. While digital twins are still emerging in the field, some industry leaders are beginning to adopt these technologies to refine supply chain processes. By simulating various assets and logistics scenarios, businesses can identify inefficiencies and risks, potentially enhancing operational effectiveness and profitability. However, the full potential of digital twins in supply chains is contingent on the continued advancement and integration of these systems. Digital twins also offer the ability to run what-if analyses, enabling companies to assess the resilience of their supply chains against numerous potential events. Incorporating AI and machine learning, digital twins can evolve, offering predictive insights that help supply chains not just respond to immediate challenges but also prepare for future ones. Number 2. Healthcare and medical field. In healthcare, digital twins promise to optimize operations and patient care. They can be used to simulate hospital systems, project bed occupancy, and manage resources more effectively, potentially alleviating the strain on healthcare facilities. While still in the early stages of adoption, these applications suggest a future where healthcare systems are more adaptive and resource efficient. Surgical planning and execution are areas where digital twins could have a transformative impact. By creating virtual models of a patient's anatomy based on medical scans, surgeons can plan and practice procedures, which could lead to better patient outcomes and advance personalized medicine. Such applications are in developmental phases and hint at how surgeries could become more precise and tailored. In pharmaceuticals and biotech, digital twins are a promising research tool. They could enable simulations of biological processes and drug responses, potentially accelerating the drug discovery process and reducing reliance on traditional clinical trials. While actual use may vary, the concept represents a significant step forward in the way new therapies are developed. Number 3. Automotive and Transportation. The automotive sector is engaging with digital twins to enhance vehicle design, performance, and safety. These virtual models assist in early-stage testing of car features, aiming to decrease the time and cost involved in bringing new vehicles to market. For autonomous vehicles, digital twins are particularly crucial for safe testing of various driving scenarios in a controlled virtual space. Software is integral to vehicle functionality, and digital twins play a role in testing and validating this software, although the extent of their use varies by manufacturer. They can also facilitate better integration across the supply chain and foster innovation, especially as cars become more connected. Digital twins may contribute to more efficient vehicle maintenance by using sensor data to predict maintenance needs, thus optimizing service schedules and extending vehicle life. In urban planning, they hold potential for improving traffic systems, but this application is still in the exploratory phase. Number 4. Manufacturing and equipment maintenance. In manufacturing, digital twins are poised to revolutionize production by modeling and testing factory line configurations to boost efficiency and reduce waste. While the technology is not yet ubiquitous, it offers a glimpse into more sustainable manufacturing practices. Predictive maintenance is an area where digital twins show tangible benefits. By anticipating equipment failures before they occur, manufacturers can avoid downtime and increase productivity. This proactive approach is being adopted across various sectors, improving reliability and competitiveness. Workforce training is another aspect that digital twins can enhance, providing employees with virtual experiences of equipment and processes. This can contribute to skill development and operational safety, though widespread implementation of such training programs is still forthcoming. Number 5. Information technology and web infrastructure. In IT, digital twins are envisioned to improve the management of network infrastructures by simulating and testing system responses to changes or threats, enhancing security and reliability. The proactive testing of web infrastructure capacities in anticipation of high traffic events is an application that could prevent downtime and ensure user satisfaction. Digital twins also have potential in disaster recovery planning, allowing organizations to model and test their IT systems' responses to various scenarios. This can aid in swift recovery from disruptions, though the sophistication and adoption of such practices are still in development. Number 6. Urban planning and smart cities. Digital twins are emerging as a transformative tool in urban planning and the development of smart cities. City planners are beginning to use digital twins to create detailed simulations of urban environments, which can help in optimizing traffic flow, energy consumption, and infrastructure development. These models use data from a variety of sources, including IoT sensors, to create dynamic and responsive city management systems. This application is in line with the smart city initiatives being piloted and implemented in various urban centers around the world. In the realm of sustainability, digital twins are used to model the environmental impact of cities and explore scenarios for reducing carbon footprints. For instance, they can simulate the effects of new policies, like increased green spaces or improved public transportation, before they are implemented. This proactive approach allows city planners to assess and refine initiatives aimed at making cities more eco-friendly. The use of digital twins for environmental simulation is supported by research in environmental science and urban studies, although it's still an evolving practice. Moreover, digital twins support disaster response and mitigation efforts in urban settings. By simulating potential disaster scenarios, such as floods or earthquakes, municipalities can plan and execute more effective emergency responses. This technology can also play a role in long-term resilience planning, helping cities to prepare for and adapt to the effects of climate change. The integration of digital twins into emergency management is still developing, with several pilot projects and studies demonstrating its potential benefits and feasibility. While digital twins offer a vision of a more efficient and responsive world across industries, their widespread deployment and the realization of their full capabilities remain a work in progress. These technologies hold the promise of significant advancements, and as they mature, we may see their impact grow in shaping a smarter, more connected future. If you made it this far, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with anyone who's as excited about the future of technology as we are. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified about our upcoming content. In the comments below, tell us which industry you think will be most transformed by digital twins in the next decade. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.